In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank PDF in Adobe Acrobat, an essential skill that makes organizing your digital documents easier and more efficient. Whether you need a new document for a fresh project, or simply want to create a space to jot down ideas, creating a blank PDF is the starting point. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can easily accomplish this task anytime you need. First, we'll begin by opening Adobe Acrobat. Once you've got it up and running, take a look at the menu where you'll see an option labeled See All Tools. This is your gateway to a wide variety of features that Adobe Acrobat offers. By clicking on this option, you're going to reveal a grid of tools designed for various tasks. Our focus today will be Create a PDF. Locate this tool amongst the other options. It's typically found in a section related to creation or file management. Next, after you've clicked on the Create a PDF tool, you'll be given several options regarding what type of PDF you want to create. Among these options, find and select Blank Page. This is the choice that allows you to start with a clean slate, perfect for when your purpose is to create something new or to have an unmarked digital canvas at your disposal. After selecting the option for a blank page, you're almost there. The final step in this straightforward process is to simply click Create. Upon doing this, Adobe Acrobat will generate and display your new blank PDF document right in front of you. At this point, you can use all of the tools provided by Adobe Acrobat to edit, add text, insert images, or simply save it as is for future use. Here are a couple of additional tips for making the most out of this process. Once you've created your blank PDF, consider renaming it right away to ensure it's easy to find later. Also, if you frequently use certain formatting or page styles, you might want to save a template of your blank page setup, saving time future projects. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to generate a blank PDF using Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple task that opens up endless possibilities for organizing and handling your digital paperwork. Whether for personal, educational, or professional use, you'll find this ability invaluable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow with Adobe Acrobat. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or look for more guides on this helpful software. Have a great day creating new documents, and I'll see you in the next video.